Hello, we have a new feature to show you, and it was, of course, done yesterday. Here we go. So we're going to be adding or looking at how to configure the new feature that's in the system. The new feature is the provider dashboard. So if you go to admin and config, as you can see, by default, this is what it looks like when you log in. So we're going to change this default in this video. So I'm going to go to admin, I'm going to go to config, and when you get here, you're going to be under the appearance tab. If you notice now, there is a second tab and a third tab. By default, the third tab is turned off, but I want you to leave it that way because remember, this is only for providers, so everybody doesn't need to see this tab because it doesn't pertain to non-providers. So let's go with that. So in the system, you're going to see this turned off. So what you want to do now is, I'm going to get out of here. That's just to show you that it's there. And you can see we have the calendar and the message center. So if you go up to your profile picture and click on settings, and then in the settings, you're going to see that there is a third and second tab here. And here's the first tab. So what we're going to do is change the first tab to provider dashboard. And then I'm going to change this to, let's make it message center. And then I'm going to change the third one to calendar. So that's the order that I want to see them in. And I'm going to go ahead and save that. Now, when I log out, unfortunately this is a log out and log back in event. Now, you can see that we have the beginnings of the provider dashboard. And we have missing documentation and coding. So it shows me, it's going to show me the encounters where I haven't done any documentation or I haven't filled out the fee sheet or there's no coding to go with it. So if I need to jump into that chart, I can do that from here by clicking this button here, and that will jump me into the patient's chart from here. The other thing that I wanted to say about it is that, of course, this is in progress, and as we build more stuff into the provider dashboard, we're going to do the notes that need to be co-signed that was requested. But if you need to get back to, when you need to get back to the main page, which is the landing page, then just click on tasks, and that takes you back to the landing page. Also, the thing you can do here is that you can lock this tab and then lock this tab, and now you can see my missing documents and coding along with the calendar, okay? Or if I wanted to unlock this tab here and then lock this tab here, now I can see my messages and my missing documents. So you can lock tabs together so that you can see things at, oh wow, if I do this, that gives me a third tab. So you can play with the tabs and see what configuration or combination of tabs you can have all together. And let's see, I'm going to go ahead and, this is interesting. If I unlock this one and unlock this one, then will that get me back to, and that gets me back there. But if I reload this tab, doesn't seem like I can get out of the locked tab situation. But, oh, I thought I unlocked this one. I didn't. There we go. I unlocked that one, unlocked that one. Now we're back to the original. Okay, I just hadn't unlocked my tab. That's what was wrong. Alright, so once I unlock my tab, I go back to the previous view. So again, you can lock tabs and see tabs together and compress your information, especially if you're on a desktop. I wouldn't recommend locking tabs on a tablet. That can get kind of funky. But thanks for watching. Enjoy.